guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Shrishti Shahi and don't forget to subscribe my channel below. Finally, the most awaited haul video is here, guys. I have ordered these many Indian wear from Meesho and I can't wait to show you guys how pretty they are. I have not unboxed them, but let's do it together. The first one is this. So the price is not written over the parcels. I'm going to mention the price on the description box. Also, I'll provide the links of all the products so you can directly click on the link and do your purchase. And if anyhow you are unable to find the link, you can just DM me on Instagram and then I'll send you the link over there. So the first one is this very pretty black color kurta set. Okay, all the kurta sets I have ordered are a set of 3 piece which includes pant, kurta and dupatta. So this is basically a complete black set. This is the kurta. If you can see, this is how the kurta is, and the material is cotton and it is very plain, guys. No design, nothing, no prints, plain, full sleeves. Yes, they are full sleeves. This is the kurta and this is the pant. So they have this elastic over here and they don't have the pockets. Okay, they have pocket only on one side. I thought they had on 2 sides, but okay, we can work on from one side also. It will work. So both the kurta and the pant is plain, but here comes the masterpiece, that is the dupatta. So this is the dupatta and it is very long, guys. A good length, a very good length. Also, if you can see the designs, they are so pretty. The colors which they have used, a perfect contrast situation going on over here, and it is looking very pretty. I will also show the video over here, and if not possible, I'll add on the other clip. So this was the first kurta set which I have ordered. The second kurta set is this one. Earlier we have seen the black one. Now we are going to unwrap this white one. I think this one I have ordered from the sale. I'm about to cut the thread, guys. About to. I saved it. Lucky me. So I have ordered this product, this particular suit from the which sale? Mega Blockbuster sale something. I think आप लोगों ने देखा होगा मीशो में बहुत बार ये सेल चलते रहते हैं, एंड ऑफ सीजन, ब्लॉकबस्टर, फर्स्ट संडे, and this particular item I have ordered from some sale only because इसके पैकेज में लिखा हुआ है, so definitely ये सेल में से ही होगा. This one also is a very pretty white color kurta set, if you can see, and it has this dory situation going on over the neck. Let me show you. It is not complete white. This particular is the kurta, and the material, guys, I'm telling you, it is very soft. I can feel the material. ये सच्ची में बहुत soft है and it is cotton. From the back there is no design, it's simple. And from the front also it is very simple, and this dori situation is going on over here. Also this one is also full sleeves, because I think guys गर्मियों में ना full sleeves जरूरी है, otherwise your hands are going to be tanned. This was the kurta and this is the pant. So in this particular set, the pants and the dupatta, both the prints are same. This is the pant. It is also a good length pant and has this elastic situation over here, and it has pockets. So this particular item also has pockets from one side only, and if you can see this the bottom side, it also has this design situation. Okay, this is also good, and this is the dupatta. It is also a very good length dupatta. Okay, so it is a mixture of both the kurta print and the pant print. इसमें ये पर्टिकुलर साइड में जो कुर्ते में प्रिंट दिया हुआ था वो है, और इसके बॉर्डर्स में जो पैंट का प्रिंट है उसको दिया गया है. वेरी गुड लेंथ दुपट्टा. Moving on to the next item, guys. We have this. This is a grey color kurta set. Also इसमें भी यहाँ पे price नहीं mention है. I don't know this happens with you or only the passes which I am receiving. जो भी packaging होता है उसके bill में जो यहाँ पे invoice mention होता है उसमें price ये लोग नहीं लिखते हैं. So I don't know why it is happening, क्योंकि इन्हें price देनी चाहिए. Let's unwrap this one. And इस टाइम मेरे को बहुत केयरफुल होना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो मैं ओपन करने से पहले ही उसमें 2-4 होल्स बना चुकी होंगी आई थिंक. This is a very pretty grey color. I have ordered all this kurta because गर्मियों का सीजन है गाइज. कॉटन सूट्स रिक्वायर्ड है. नॉर्मल ये जो पॉलिएस्टर मिक्स्ड फैब्रिक होते हैं, दिस कांट वर्क ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन. सो यू नीड समथिंग विच इज ब्रीदेबल, एंड नथिंग इज बेस्ट देन कॉटन. सो दिस इज द सेट, द कुर्ता सेट, यू कैन सी. एंड दिस इज द पैंट and this is the dupatta. Same guys जैसा उस वाले इससे पहले वाले कुर्ते में था. जो दुपट्टा था it has a mixture of both kurta and the pant. जो दोनों में प्रिंट था दोनों का ही मिक्सचर है. So this is the kurta guys, if you can see. The neck is very simple. It has a little bit of cut over here, and the back side is very simple, very basic. जो नॉर्मल हम ऑफिस वेयर, कॉलेज वेयर, स्कूल वेयर में यूज कर सकते हैं. फुल स्लीव्स, सो योर हैंड्स आर नॉट गेटिंग टैंड, एंड द कुर्ता हैज ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड लेंथ. इफ यू कैन सी, इतना ज्यादा इसमें लेंथ है. इट इज अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी एंड वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज द पैंट, फुल्ली प्रिंटेड, इलास्टिक, and I think it does not have pockets. Okay guys, this particular pant does not have any pockets. One negative point definitely, because we need pockets. This is the dupatta. It has both the prints, the pant one and the kurta one going on over here, and it is also a full length dupatta. Full length इसमें complete. Let's do this and see how it looks. See, this color is very pretty. It is looking very nice. Nice one. Moving on to the last product, the last set of the day, which is my favorite. I don't know guys, I have seen this kurta set in so many videos, reels, shorts, everywhere this is floating. So I decided that I'll also order this one and try that is it worth it or not. And today morning when I was seeing this, I was just tracking my order. That time I came to know that it's already out of stock. So if अगर मैं इसका link नहीं डाल पाई, you can just simply take the screenshot and search, फिर आप उसे add to cart कर देना and notify me करके एक option आता है मीशो में. You can just simply do notify and when the product will be in stock, they will give you a notification. So this is the pretty kurta set. See this guys, how beautiful this is and how soft this fabric is. Can you see this? This is basically a kind of frock suit type. All the other three sets which I have shown you, they are a proper straight fitted kurta, but this one is a frock suit, like that umbrella gown type situation going on. The neck has a collar and it has a V design, V-neck design. From the back it is very basic and plain and it is not full sleeve, it is I think quarter sleeves haenge shayad, half sleeves or quarter sleeve something. And this is the frock suit. I can't wait to try this one. And this is the pant. Not the pants guys, this is the palazzo, a full coverage type, I don't know, but वो कहते हैं ना full घेरा situation, something वैसा ही है. Very good palazzo, very nice. Let me see the pockets. Pockets are must, but I don't think कि अगर इसमें pockets होगा भी तो वो हमारे किस काम आएगा, because फ्रॉक सूट में तो वो completely नीचे तक कवर होने वाला है. So इसमें पॉकेट नहीं है एंड नहीं भी है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बिकॉज पॉकेट्स का यूज नहीं होगा. एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा, बट आई डोंट नो दिस विल मैच और नॉट, बट इन्होंने ये दुपट्टा सेट दिया है. द कलर्स आर डेफिनेटली डिफरेंट, बट लेट्स सी मे बी अगर ये कोई कॉम्बिनेशन बनता है या नहीं. बट द फैब्रिक इज टू सॉफ्ट गाइस, वेरी सॉफ्ट, वेरी सॉफ्ट. I love all the 4 pieces which I have ordered. That's all for today's video guys. If you have liked any of the particular pieces, you can check the link which I have given on the description box and you can click on the link and purchase your order. Also, if you want me to try any other product or any other haul video you want me to try, do mention it down on the comments below and do tell me how you like the video. If you have liked, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also please press the bell icon. I'll meet you again on another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all.